guys, don't forget to subscribe and help the channel get to 170,000 subs. Scan QR code winner 25 rand. Welcome to my friends on the TV. It's the Petro Premiership. Mamelodi Sundowns 2, Orbit College 0. I'm joined by Spouse.
Steve Skipan, bro.
I am Nadi.
Firstly, I would like to say Happy New Year, bro. Since it's last year, bro. I hope this year is over into Nandi Pela, bro.
Sure.
I'm down to me, but I believe team I will but there's something fishy here, bro.
Something wrong.
Yeah. They were playing with a team that is dead, bro. The only person that was there, and Ubanagali after Ralani.
Yeah.
He was the one who was there.
Yeah.
Aye, bro. I'm be taiko. So sometimes in Mangazile, bro. I'm not to check. I'm not target wabo. I pay 5.
Yes.
Ubita na shouldn't target the new one.
Yeah. All game.
Yeah. And if you bet the between Slim, that tall guy with 27, oh. He's useless, the man, bro.
He had to score.
Yeah, bro. There were 2 chances. Clear card.
Clear card.
So, umuntu makathandana simnandi.
Yeah.
It is striker as opportunity so.
Yeah.
But we like kora.
Yeah.
Chusandana me but there's something wrong kumele balungise.
Ne.
And again I'm worried down so bro. Ngithema ngiyacheka ngabo 60 to 70 minutes.
Sure.
Maki ngiyacheka ngaphathi pitch. I think there were only 4 South African players. Angazi ukuthi Dimani uthanda abantu bangada or skipper. So uyayibulala I South African football demand. Uyayibulala, so it's going to be difficult for Uyuko Bros maka choose ama players in the next coming stage.
Yeah.
With mawuthi uyacheka bro, cabanga 4 players basemzansi, the rest bafela ngale.
South America.
So kuyenzakala ngeteam asemzansi iyafa. It's dying.
Definitely.
It's dying, bro.
Definitely.
So Sundowns manje ayisarile kuma South African players, barile ngaphandle.
Yeah.
And yosibulala titem, bro. When coming to ngikhuluma ukuthi uyazi ukuthi back then Sundowns besazi ukuthi nePirate ama player avela from Sundowns the Pirate and Chiefs. So kwamanje team ama perform kahle, I understand. Mara ngiyazi ukuthi iPirate neDowns binyazi ukuthi uyobe perform. So manje Sundowns mayifa kwenzakalani? So tomorrow we'll be crying ukuthi no, you could bring some player from Pirate kuphela.
Yeah.
What is going to take only Ronald Williams ayi1. Ngothi ukhulisa umdawu akasekho angazikiphani ngaye.
Uyavana
akemboni bro. Amaskandali miba khona ukuthi uyavasa sazi. Kodwa ngizwa amahemhem ukuthi ngathi bayamfuna. iSundowns ayifuna ukumthengisa. So why umkhiphelani? Bayise bro.
Ne.
Yeah.
If he's not here.
Ufuna ukuqhubeka tamakasi happy umvayise.
Yeah,
umkhiphela yini?
Yeah.
And waphetha bomrena bro. Umrelease. Adlala ibhola bro. Umfuna udlala ibhola lima.
Yeah. Ayukuhlala.
Ayufuna ukuhlala bro.
Yeah.
He knows ukuthi already automatically squad yini uzophila khona.
Yeah.
Ngothi yazi ukuthi is good.
Yeah.
But umrelease ayodlala in-team afuna ukudlala kiso bro.
Yeah, true.
Yeah.
True.
Wasundowns mabara honestly speaking is dead. Ifile. If yabona 930 be Chiefs and celebrate ukudli obota was going to celebrate intango ngidli not Sundowns bro.
Yeah.
Team ebani khona ingenako this season elikin celebrate just like that. Ujayive siv ngathi bro is bad. Is bad bro. Is bad straight. Is bad serious. Yeah. So man of the match bro ngizokadi boy lo. Angazi gama lakhe.
Yeah.
Lo kadlala ngaku left 45.
Yeah.
I don't know his name that boy. Ayo
yeah.
Equality that boy. I'm 12. DDC from Sundowns. Is good. Is good. Is good, bro. I man of the match, I will give it to that boy. Yeah. Then Uze Faranga, it's very sad, bro. It's very sad. There's a parent losing 3 kids on one accident. It's very bad, bro. I was telling my friend, if I was the parent, bangitshengisa driver ukuthi isaphila la ngiyomkhahlela ihloko bro ngimbulale ngiyetronkwini. I'm telling you bro, you can't kill my 3 kids ngoba relax bakho yabona ukuthi be accident bani yenzakale due to accident mara lewe ikhosile timali and usurvivile ubona ukuthi impact ingakuphi aku left he survived. Mina if I was the parent ngimthole sinini I was gonna crash him ngimbulale ngiyetronkwini bro ngiyazi ukuthi no ngohlala 25 years etronkwini ngiyazi ukuthi injalo ifile. What is gonna survive? You drive a footy takes man. So it's very bad, bro. Yeah. So it's fine, guys. We'll meet again tomorrow.
Thanks, boss.
Yeah, I'll meet again tomorrow.